everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel. Anyways, for today's video, let's just see some stuff which are super duper important for this festival season. Diwali season is here, the wedding season is here, the festive season is here, and we definitely need that little glow, that little bling from inside. So let's just get started. And the first and the most important thing that I want to start up is going to be something for the hair product, because you guys have been questioning me about my hair. So the one that I've been swearing by is going to be the Ayurveda's hair cleanser. It has this natural Ayurvedic formulation which is enriched with Ayurvedic herbs, and they are sulfate free and paraben free, which is super duper important for your hair product. Like, it doesn't have a very strong fragrance, like something that is disturbing fragrance. This is very great for hair fall and dandruff and stuff like that, and for winters I think so. You should definitely check this one out. It's a very good product. Also, along with this, you can also get the conditioner of Bringadi conditioner. Also, you can get that. Is also really good. I'm going to make a separate proper dedicated video for Ayurveda actually, because I literally love these products. Next up, let us talk about the base makeup. When it comes to a festive makeup or an ethnic sort of a makeup, or when I need an extra bling or glow from my skin, because I go for facial oils, and the one that I have today is going to be from Earth Rhythm. I have used this bottle like so very often. I'm not sure if this will suit the oily skin type or not. It might be very oily for you guys. Trust me, if you have a normal to dry skin type, definitely use this as a base before applying anything else. So you can use your moisturizer and sunscreen, and uske upar you can go with this facial oil. It is going to give itna khubsurat dewy type ka base na. I just freaking love it. Also, the blue bottle that you get from Indulgio, the facial oil one, that is also really good. Like, everybody knows about that, but for an affordable option, this is a really good option. बहुत ही ज़्यादा important है कि आपको dewy base आने के लिए एक अच्छा dewy foundation चाहिए होगा. So the one that I always talk about is going to be the Mamaearth Vitamin C foundation. It has 8 shades. मुझे जब भी dewy makeup करना होता है तो मैं इसके लिए जाती हूँ, और अगर मुझे matte type का करना होता है ना, तो I usually go for the Maybelline Fit Me foundation or the Inside Cosmetics Second Skin foundation. ये है एकदम मीडियम कवरेज का फाउंडेशन, बट ये लिटरली स्किन लाइक ही है. इसके शेड्स एक्चुअली बहुत ही कम है, सिर्फ 4 शेड्स है. तो आई थिंक सो वैरायटी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं है, इसका रेंज उतना अच्छा नहीं है, बट ट्रस्ट मी, इसका कवरेज मीडियम है, एंड ये लिटरली स्किन की तरह ही है. आपको लिटरली लगेगा कि आप कोई बीबी क्रीम या सीसी क्रीम लगा रहे हो. आई वांट टू रिकमेंड अ फेस पैक स्लैश face mask sort of a situation that you can use. And face mask में I love to have green tea ka variant. Green tea face mask do very good for me personally. So I have normal to combination sort of a skin type, and they do really good job. Kaina Green tea face pack, and it also has a goodness of vitamin E as well, which is super duper good. Very nice thick consistency, and it smells like green tea and like rosy green tea. It's a very mild and nice fragrance when you apply it. Green sage green color, it's very cute. Like, you can use it for aesthetics also. Brightens up my face right then and there, so that is why I love this one. Like, it's a very instant finish that you get. There are these products which are like liquid highlighter, liquid illuminator. So the liquid highlighter which is really good is the one from Swiss Beauty. वो वाला product मेरे हाथ में अभी है नहीं, but I just put a picture over here. It's very cheap for 200-300 bucks, something like that, and the texture and everything is also pretty fine in that. You can also go this option of Nybae Shimmer drops. Oh my god, this one is so beautiful, this product, and it is like in this nice rosy light pink sort of color. Put it over here. ये इतना अच्छा effect देता है, like this highlighting sort of effect. I'll give the link for both the Nybae and the Swiss Beauty wala, so you can check out what you want to get. And again, for the cheeks, you can go for something like a tint that you have, instead of going for the stick blush. Like, blush usually, like powder blushes जो होते हैं ना, that is obviously it's very pretty and everything, but it doesn't give that. Earth Rhythm lip and cheek tint does a beautiful work. This is in the shade Brandy, I guess. It literally looks like a gloss, but I personally like it because ये glossy type का है, because वो एक dewy look जो आता है ना, when I apply it on my skin, it's very good. Next up, not only all of these products, smelling good is also very important. When you have so many festivals going on, you're not only just enjoying, there is so much of work going on as well, so you need to make sure that you're smelling good throughout the day. The one that I would recommend to you guys is going to be this Deeza perfume. This is Deeza by Ajmal. Ajmal is a perfume brand जो कि बहुत ही अच्छे fragrances निकालते हैं, and this stays for so freaking long. It's a very good product, but when I got it, it was for 800-900 something like that. It's a really nice perfume. You can definitely go for this. It's a very evening time perfume more than just a daytime. It has woody notes, and it has musky notes, and it has like dark notes. Apart from that, Zara perfume stays so long. Like, they are so good. This is the lightly bloom fragrance that you have. बहुत ही feminine, nice morning time fresh kind of a perfume. It stays very long. Like Zara के perfumes इतने long stay करते हैं, कभी कभी वॉश करने के बाद भी आपको उसके सेंट आएगी. So I also feel like festive time में ना you should get something like a blingy eye look. If you want to get something shimmery eye look, तो उसके लिए ना एक बहुत ही affordable product मेरे पास है. I have this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow over here. This is a liquid glitter kind of eyeshadow that you can use. It comes with this kind of a applicator, just like a lipstick you have like this. And इसको थोड़ा सा product लेके आप आराम से apply कर सकते हो. I'll just apply it over here. So you can see this is how the consistency is. It's kind of a lot of product. It does have a little bit shimmer particles, but वो easily blend हो जाता है, इसमें कोई भी problem नहीं है. If you don't want कि बहुत sharp ऐसे glitter eye, you can use a separate brush and then apply it all over your eyes. That will also give a very nice look. It is super duper cheap, just for 125, 150 something like that. And इसमें भी golden shades है, अलग अलग bronze kind of shades है. मैंने ये थोड़ा सा silvery type का shade है ये जो मैंने लिया है. I always use this one only, and sometimes I use this in the tip of my like eyes over here. वो भी खूबसूरत लगता है. And last but not the least, for lipsticks, you need a long stay lipstick. Again, I have this Mamaearth lipstick over here. मैं हमेशा nude shades दिखाती हूँ Mamaearth के, but अगर आपको एक bright red kind of कुछ ऐसा चाहिए ना, तो आप ये liquid lipstick के लिए जा सकते हो. ये इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा consistency है. It's very soft, like a buttery soft on your lips, and they really stay long. When I tell you, it doesn't budge at all. अगर अच्छे से lip balm वगैरह अगर आपने लगाया है तो ये बिल्कुल भी dry नहीं करेगा. It's a very nice color. As you can already see, it's a very nice bright red color. I think so. That is pretty much it for today's video. These are all the recommendations which I feel like you can use for your festival makeup and getting ready and everything. So I will see you until next time. Take care of yourself. Ta-da, bye bye.